Guys, if there's one thing I've seen the most fighting on the internet about is smash burgers versus non-smash burgers. Who's in? What side you got? Smash burger versus a regular old patty burger. Today, we are going to do a versus match on what is best. I'm gonna try it. Jacob's gonna try it. Everybody likes Jacob. He don't like bacon either, y'all, just FYI. We have a few other people that we're gonna ask, what do you like better? Do you like this patty burger or do you like this smash burger? Let's get started. One thing I wanna go through before we get started here, guys, is tools of the trade. First things first is just a regular old smasher. Use whatever you like. This is the Blackstone smasher. The meat of choice, just some regular old 80/20 ground chuck. Got this from a local food line. Excuse a little bit of the wind coming through. It's a little windy today. But dang it, boy, it feels good. Fall is coming. I feel it in the air. I can feel it. American cheese, boy, the best cheese ever. And we're gonna use some potato rolls. You know, there might be a pickle or something I forgot. I don't know, where's that? Pickles. And I'm gonna keep it very simple. May not even put mayonnaise on some of it. I just want people's honest opinion on what they think is better. Patty burger, smash burger. And that's it. So let's get our meat ready. Oh, one more thing. Go ahead and get your Blackstone. Get that thing going while you're getting your meat ready. That way it's nice and hot. All right, I'm gloved up. We're gonna get this meat ready. So let's talk about the meat. 80/20 ground chuck is kind of what I like to use. I have a calibrated hand and elbow, I can tell you about what it weighs. It's about 2.5 ounce of ball right there. So that's what I do. If you wanna take like a 1/4 cup measuring tool, that'll make about a 2.5 ounce ball also. So I'm gonna patty out couple of these. To keep the playing field kind of even here, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 2 smash burger patties, and that's gonna equal about a 5 ounce patty, give or take. And then I'm gonna make a 5 ounce patty for the patty type burger. 1 piece of cheese on the smash burgers is double, okay? So then you got even amount of meat for both comparisons, okay? So I wanna keep it very level. So there's nobody in the keyboard comment, those warriors just saying, oh, it's not a fair comparison. Y'all gonna do it. There's gonna be somebody down there that ain't gonna like this, all right? And that's okay. It's okay, bud. Just chill out. I wanna get the patty burgers ready. And for that, I just use this, it's like a ring mold, biscuit cutter, cookie cutter. I don't know what else it could be. You can use this. What else could you use this for? Biscuits. What else? Eggs. What else? Pancakes. What else? I don't know what else. Mud. You want a mud pie? Kids love playing in mud. I got 2 of those. Let's do one more. 3 and 3. That's about it right there. We got both of our comparisons ready. Got our smash burger balls over here, about a 2.5 ounce ball. We got our patty over here, about a 5 ounce patty, okay? Easy peasy. Let's talk about seasoning now. Seasoning of choice is gonna be this lovely Hussey's heifer dust. I know a guy who makes this. It's pretty cool stuff. I'm just gonna let you know that. Give it a try, be a link below if you wanna get your own. All right, so we're ready to cook our burgers. You wanna get your griddle up nice and hot. So we're talking 450 plus, and we're at about 480 degrees here, give or take, plus or minus here and there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's get started. I gotta season these up. We're gonna season this up with this heifer dust, like I said. And for our smash burger balls, I'm just gonna season them up, just like that. I wanna take our patties, and I wanna put the seasoned side down onto the griddle first, all right? And we're gonna get our balls down, and we're gonna get these smashed. But typically what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of oil, get your smasher kinda hot, and we're just gonna come and we're gonna smash these. And just hold that for about 10 seconds each, okay guys? A lot of people think you're pressing the moisture out of the burger. You're not really. Number one, you're getting a contact patch, getting that Maillard reaction. That's the browning, all right? And number 2 is a lot of that's just fat that you're kind of pressing out, and that's just perfect. There you go. By the time you get all these done, it's time to flip these things. And to do that, sometimes it's a little tricky. They might stick a little bit. That's okay. Just kind of use the back of your spatula like this, or you can kind of come in there like that, however you want to do it. And they're pretty much done right now. Look at that. We need to season our other side of the patty burger. We're gonna flip these over now, guys. That's got some beautiful color too. Like I was telling you, our smash burgers, they're done. We're gonna put a slice of cheese on each one, just one slice. Normally if I was making a double smash burger, guys, I would put 2 slices of cheese. But for this comparison, Keeping it even, and that's the way we're rolling, because there's gonna be a slice of cheese here, slice of cheese here, slice of cheese there. So I'm just going to put this right on top of there, this on top of there. Little piggyback ride here, okay? Little Smashburger ride. Got to get these buns toasted now. Got to get a toast on the buns. So I'm just gonna lay these down. Extra bonus, get over here in some of this beef fat, a little tallow, make it good. Make it real good. Look at that. Look at that toast right there. Woohoo! I like this other side to be toasted a little bit also. Jacob had a good point, y'all. He said, you're gonna put mayonnaise on this. I was like, man, I don't know. I mean, for a guy that don't like bacon, he made a good point. He's like, you know, mayonnaise just makes it better. I said, you're absolutely right, Jacob. It's a state law, but I also want to make things fair for comparison. I just feel like you gotta have mayonnaise. You're absolutely right, Jacob. Try to give Jacob a attaboy. Almost broke a state law, you're absolutely right. Let's get these off now. These are right there. All right, we're gonna get these over on our cutting board. Our patty burgers are done. We're gonna get some cheese on it. Nothing but the best around here. You all know what that is. It's American cheese. Put you on there. Put you on there. Put you right there. Woo, that's hot. All right, let's get these on our cutting board too, y'all. Y'all, the burgers are done. Now, we gotta try these. Remember, I'm gonna try it. Jacob's gonna try it. We might have a few others that'll try it, so hold on. You will not wanna miss it. Let's just put the top on these ones right here. Just gonna put the tops on them, all right? Just like that. These others, we're just gonna chill. Now, I'm gonna cut these in 4s so that we could test these out. And now, here's mine first. Cheers. Juicy for one, okay? Man, that's good. Super juicy, super flavorful. Very good, very good. Let's do the Smashburger one. Cheers. I'm gonna leave my thoughts for a little bit later. That's good though. That's very good. Okay. All right, Jacob. Pick one from here, one from here. Let me know your thoughts.
Okay, let's go with this one first. Pretty good.
Not too bad?
Not bad.
Not bad, okay.
Try this one. That's tough.
Pretty close.
I think I like the first one better.
First one's better?
Yeah.
All right. All right. I know what that first one was. So Jacob thinks the first one is better than the second one. It's all right. You got me. You got Jacob. Now, we got another guy coming. You just hold on 1 second. Y'all, everybody say hey to John. So this is one. This is the other. Maggie? Look at Maggie. Get out of the way. Try this one first.
Yeah.
Maggie dog. Need a napkin?
Yeah.
These ain't bougie napkins. He likes bougie napkins.
Gotta have the bougie napkins. That's good.
All right.
Never had anything that wasn't good.
Yeah, well, you know, we're trying to see what people like, what people think's the best. That's what we're trying to look for. And then we got another one here. All right, we're gonna try entry number 2 here. Now they do have a little mayonnaise on it. I know you like mayonnaise.
Mm-hmm.
You like 2. My man likes 2. Jacob said he liked 1.
Yeah.
I ain't saying what I like yet.
Have you tried it?
I have.
Which one?
Gotta wait.
Okay.
You gotta watch the video. There you have it. Hey, we might have, I don't know what these guys are doing. I'd like to go give these guys a little bit of groceries to see what they think too.
Both of them are excellent. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. There you go. Got some buddies over here. They're mowing the yard. Let's go see what they're gonna think about this too. 1, 2, ready? Let's go. What's up, brother? We're just trying to make a video. So I got a burger here.
All right.
This is comparison 1, comparison 2. They're cutting 4s, so take you a 1/4 there and let me know what you think about it. It does have mayonnaise. Hope you like mayonnaise.
Oh yeah. Nice.
It's a state law, man.
That's it.
All right, that was 1. That was 1, right, Jacob? All right, that was 1. 2, okay, yeah. Now there ain't nothing. We're just wanting to make sure, just a burger, right? All right, this is number 2. And you can take this back with you too. Y'all can have.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just here for convenience. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That one's good too.
Dang it, boy.
That one's good too. I like that one because it's not like so smushed. It's almost got texture to it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You like 2. Jacob, you like 1. All All right, you thought one.
Yeah.
One was his. Okay. All righty. Well, there you have it. You have to watch the video to figure out who wins.
Yeah, I'll have to. I'll have to check that out.
Let's see what he does.
He said, "You gonna eat my burger, man?"
All right, so we're doing a comparison here, okay? Just to see which one's the best, all right?
All right.
So this is number one comparison. It's just this is just figuring out what's the best burger, all right? All right. We're doing a pretty good job here. Everybody says it's good.
Oh.
So there we go. And we're gonna make these Friday episodes a lot better now.
Oh, heck yeah. Hey, we'll be in all of them. We'll be the taste.
Next thing you know, you'll be like, man, I cut your yard for free. Both good. If you had to decide which one was the first, well, obviously the first one and then two.
I'm gonna say this one. Oh.
Number two. Number two. You said two.
Yes, sir.
You said two. Dang it, boy.
That's
All right. It's even.
1-1.
I'm the tiebreaker.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Hey, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, I'll do this.
Appreciate it.
You never know what people's gonna do. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. All right, everybody's tried theirs. However, there's one more star guest. Well, Maggie, what do you think, girl? Let's see. This is one. This is two. Well, one first. Okay. All right. That was one. She eats fast. And two. What do you think? She licked more on that one. All right, now is the real tiebreaker, and it comes down to me. Didn't anticipate this happening, but it is. I'm gonna go with, I like two. I like two. That was a Smashburger. I like the crispiness of the exterior that it had. I did like the juiciness. It seems like the texture of the one was really, really good, but I really enjoyed that texture from this kind of lacy kind of outer edges. I like that. Hey, appreciate you watching. Check out this video right here. I guarantee you'll love it too.